Hey Pete, thanks for joining me today. Amidst this COVID environment, I'm getting a lot of questions about iCloth's role in COVID, and there's a lot of confusion out there, mixed messages, and I'm wondering if you can help me out today.
Yeah, absolutely.
So one of the things, before we get into iCloth and how they work, can you tell me about a little bit about the iCloth brand?
The focus of our business has always been on optical clarity for sensitive optics. So devices that are used on a regular basis, touch screens, prescription performance, protective eyewear, kiosks, laptops, all those devices that you interact with on a daily basis that require a little care in cleaning, and traditional cleaning methods or products may damage them. With iCloth, we developed a formula that was safe for use and very effective in lifting all the dirt, the grime, the biogunk that would be on a surface off, absorbing it into the towel and allowing you to dispose of that afterwards. Because of that purpose, our focus was never on germ killing, viral, anything. It was just really getting everything off the surface and allowing you to get rid of it. So very similar to washing your hands with soap and water. The formula is really well designed to get underneath the dirt, lift it off the surface, trap whatever was on the surface in this wipe, and allow you to dispose of it afterwards.
Excellent. Now I understand that you're coming out with a new product as well to add to the iCloth line.
Yeah, we've at the request of a bunch of our customers, they've asked us to produce a wipe with 70% isopropyl alcohol. So we've reconfigured our formulation to accommodate for that, and still maintaining the commitment to optical clarity on those sensitive optics.
So Pete, there's lots of cleaning wipes on the market that I've seen when I go to the grocery store. What makes iCloth different against all those other cleaning wipes?
Most common cleaners and disinfectants that are in use today that are not based on isopropyl alcohol, but other technologies like BZK and things like that. The purpose is to take the formula from the container and move it to the surface and let the formula sit on the surface where it does the disinfecting and it kills the germs and deals with the virus and all of that stuff. The purpose of our product and what we've developed is a product that will go to the surface. The formula is used to lift, dissolve the greases, dissolve the oils, and lift them off the surface to be reabsorbed back into the towel as the formula dries. So you're mechanically removing everything from the surface. When you're done cleaning with our product, the surface will look and feel and act like new again. Where the other cleaning products, like the other brands that are disinfectant wipes, not necessarily cleaning wipes, your tablet screen will actually look dirty. It'll look cloudy. They're not meant to clean it, they're meant to sanitize it or disinfect it.
So it does more than what a traditional wipe does. It provides you with optical clarity and a like new feel for your devices. Is that, would you say that's correct?
Yeah, absolutely. And that's one of the fun things about our product and our brand is when you see somebody use it for the first time, whether it be on their iPhone or their glasses, and they actually see real clean. And they feel it, and it's like they put their glasses back on and their eyes light up, and you see the effect of the product. It really makes everything look new again and act like it was the day that you bought it.
As Mary Kondo would say, it sparks joy.
There you go, it sparks joy.
Well, thanks so much, Pete. I really appreciate you to clarify some of the things out there, and I look forward to seeing you on our next chat.
Okay, awesome. I look forward to it too, man.